Nakalak na yung susi. Ay, maraming bato. How do you go there? Can you help out?
Yes, we can.
Thank you. Mamang ko. Opo. It's too stony to be wheeled in. What's the place called? What's the name of the place? Mama. What's in here? What's in here?
Lapu-lapong sinigang, adobado.
Ah, it's so hot. Lumilipad naman lahat.
Still looks white to me.
Kare-kare.
Adobado ni Mama. Dito.
I thought it's kare-kare. What's the name?
Amoma.
Amoma? Umami? Ano?
Amoma. Adobado ka man sa Abu Dhabi.
Okay, umami is like an very
Mabukmuk ka.
Oh.
Malam ka natin kwintay anyos ka na. Hindi ka magpakamukmuk din.
Ooh, there's even smoky there and a fish
Ate
pond
Lice,
here.
watch where you're going.
Way.
Kilala ta ka. Nakatangla ka din.
Chugadagadagadag.
Rocky Path ha.
Ow!
Sabi na nga ba eh. I got you.
Let's
you
stay
have
for
fun?
bed. What do you have? What did you do? What did you see?
Nag-playground siya iba. Ano overgrown siya. Baby pa niya ako.
Adamos na sa mga Instagrammable nukes. It has a lot of Instagrammable nukes like this one. May pa-heart and papay-pay pa. Come here, come.
Sige.
Come.
Okay, auntie.
Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ta-da.
1, 2. Hindi mo pagulago na kayo magulong na parang. Okay.
Oh, by the way, I met a new friend.
What's his name?
Oh, ang tawag ni Mami Jo.
I think his name is Thomas, right?
Not?
My name is George Pig. Oh no, Pig.
George. Hello, George.
Ito yung garden spot nila. Pag wala ka nang punta-punta doon.
May lasang daw mga veggies.
Opo. Kaya
If only it is well lighted or lighted enough.
din namin.
Oo, kung daytime it will be more visible. Unfortunately, it's night time. So you can see the entire garden. Lots of plants. plants. I think this is acacia. This one, banaba. This one is nyog. This one is, what you call this one again? I don't know if you can see it because it's too dark. Yeah, it's chili pepper. Chili pepper up to there. Yeah, it's chili peppers. Long peppers. And then the banana. And then this looks like alogbate. This looks like patola.
You stand here.
And then what else is here?
Identified.
This is, of course, spring onions. If it's old enough, then it will have an onion bulb inside.
You always have to vlog.
This one is Chinese kangkong. This one is barsanga. This is empty. This is, I don't know what this is. This one, I don't know also. All the leaves are gone, so I cannot identify.
Squash?
Squash is a ground plant. It cannot be. It's too heavy to hang from up there. Ooh! We have goats.
Mio, those are goats, not dogs.
Those are goats. And those are pigeons. And pigeons.
Mommy, those are strange looking dogs.
Dogs? You mistake a goat for a dog. What's the wabbit?
Wabbit.
What's the wabbit? Don't touch, because if you're bitten, you have to do anti-rabies shot.
I know.
Rabbits and pigeons and
Oh.
Pwede sila mapet. Yeah, but be careful.
Hello. Can I pet it?
Yeah, up on the head only, huh? Yeah.
Hindi ka mapa. Pet.
Me and the goat. Me and the goat.
You want to feed them?
Wala ko nakakuha sa picture niya. Malapit sila simot. Think yung nakalawa ba?
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Rice!
Strange looking pigeon, oh. Black, tapos may black siya na ano. May tawag to eh. Sinisip-sip namin yung nectar nito when I was young. Along the hill na before the Mitso. Puti to ya galing. I forgot what it's called. This one is what you call, ano na nga to? Birds of paradise.
No!
Kit anon kita dira kay madalam man dyan. It would have been nicer if we can actually really see them all.
Take yourself. Maamat-amat na kita lang. Ay, gabi na.
See the place. Look at the place.
Ganda yung place na lang.
What di ba kay I have a thing for wooden.
Dira ko lang kayo ko dakan ka.
Look, I like the flooring and the furniture because everything is wood.
Ginsunod-sunod ko siya. Kaya nag-vlog siya. Pato mo.
works anymore. Some of the kids are too depressed already. She works a little. Oh, they even have an old-fashioned sewing machine here. It's so humid though. Iloilo. I'm in Iloilo.
Huh? You carry the water bottle and...
Oh, I look like a queen here. The queen is on her throne.
Hindi ka dinaan na ilang ga?
Oo, kanyan. Guardia Civil.
Wait until you hear about Pro Shop.
Ayaw matanggal. Then how do you open this? Is it the same one as what he got me? Oh, she got me the same one as the one I have in Oman.
It's the truffle po.
Ay, dyan sila din truffle sauce.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one of the things that I super enjoy. Oh yeah! It's basically quesong puti.
Yeah, ma'am.
Pero it's Italian quesong puti. You'll enjoy that na nga as you like this.
Enjoy your lunch, ma'am.
Thank you!